Hello Virgos, welcome to my page and thanks for joining me. And this is a video for your current energy. So I'll be pulling out one card for the overall energy and then clarifying. Let's see what that is for you. So what is the overall energy for Virgos? The death and rebirth. Okay, something major is definitely going on with the Virgos. You are dealing with something significant, something destined. Do not try to resist this change. Whatever is happening for good. Perhaps maybe this situation has to end, whatever it is, and it is going to give you something new. It is going to give, this situation is definitely going to give birth to something new in your life. Let's see what that is with the death card being there. Why is this death card here for Virgos? We have the Seven of Swords and the Sun. Okay. The King of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so I really don't think there is anything to worry here, Virgos. Even if whatever is happening here is happening and it's troubling you, but this situation is ending by itself. That's what I feel. Okay, with the Seven of Swords, definitely you've been dealing with some sort of a deceit, somebody either not committing to you, somebody cheating, lying, some sort of that immature behavior. Somebody is being very very sneaky in their behavior. Okay, and what I feel here is, seeing all these cards, this situation is coming to an end, and once you are able to let go of the situation and end the situation, maybe it is happening by some divine intervention. It's happening on its own. Okay, and or maybe you are putting an end to it, but see, it's like ending itself means, like, suppose there are a lot of fights, a lot of arguments, a lot of things are going on, do this or why are you doing this, and all that stuff is going on. Okay, and after that scenario, after that phase of life, when you are trying to bring things back to control and you're not able to sort of rebuild that relationship, or you're not able to revive that relationship, it's something of that sort you've been dealing with, and now you feel that there is no point, this thing will not, you will not be able to revive that situation or that relationship, whatever it is for you. Okay, and you are done with it. It is naturally dying its uh, tenure, I should say, and you will feel very happy about it. That's what I feel. Ultimately, you will feel very relieved, you will feel relaxed, and you will really feel very happy. Just see the contrast of the energies with the Sun. I really don't remember seeing a situation or a reading like this. Death card, Seven of Swords, and immediately we have the Sun. So you are really feeling very happy over here, ultimately very liberated. With the King of Wands, Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles, definitely you are, somebody new is, that's what I feel, is going to come in your life, who really has a lot of passion. This person has a lot of passion for you, this, or you will be doing that. Maybe you already know somebody in your life. What I feel is, this is a situation in which you have, I should talk about you, though it can be somebody else here, which may be coming up in the reading here and showing up in the reading, but to me, since it's yours, I'll talk like that. With the King of Wands and the Knight of Cups, definitely showing up for new love. It's new love, Prince Charming, lot of emotionally mature energy, lot of, with the Knight of Pentacles, you know what that is. This is, you've been working on yourself, you're very happy with this relationship, with this person, you know your life is sorted out, you know things are fine now, so you are dealing with this situation with a lot of emotional maturity. Okay, so I really don't see you being affected by this phase of your life, whatever this phase was, in this new phase. Okay, to me it looks like a totally new phase, a total contrast of energies. This is what is coming up for you, Virgos. That's what I feel. Somebody who is really going to offer you love, or you going to open up to them emotionally, like Prince Charming, Princess Charming, whatever that is. With the Queen of Cups, a lot of emotional maturity, lot of balance, loving, nurturing relationship is on cards for you, and you really feel very very stable and content with what you are going to achieve. Okay, so whatever this process is for you, I think it's already on the verge of ending, and I think you must have progressed in this direction of a new beginning. But if you haven't, then be hopeful that you will be soon finding somebody like this in your life. So Virgos, I just hope it helps, and bye, thank you.